Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the iPhone 7 Plus leather case in saddle brown color. I'm going to do an unboxing here today. Go ahead and take this thing off. There we go. So this will naturally patina over time. I think I have my old iPhone, and I don't remember if this was brown or not, but I remember the last time this thing was actually light brown as well. Same with the original when I had the iPhone 5S. That one got really dark as well, so your natural oils will be able to rub into this leather case and darken over time, which is a natural patina. It ages in it differently for every individual. Alright, let's see here. So we got nothing else in this case. And I've got some material here which just says how to put it into your, it's a simple picture, just how to put it into your actual iPhone. I do not have the iPhone 7 Plus yet, but when it comes, I will definitely do a video on that one as well. So here it is. And these ones are different now. They don't have leather buttons, they have actual buttons here, which might be, they feel plastic. It is possible that they're really lightweight aluminum. Got that same natural suede, which is really nice. Now, I might be getting a silicone one as well, depending on how I feel. I wasn't too impressed with most of their colors. So we'll see the inside of here. So yeah, that is it. I can actually show you an example of, let's see here. So this here is the 6 Plus. Sorry, this here is just an iPhone 6, and this is the 7S Plus. And when I take it out of this case, the previous one, so that's the, I think that one might have been actually brown. I don't know. Size comparison. And yeah, so that's that. The iPhone 7 suede saddle brown leather case. See if I can keep that stood up for you. Fly in my face right now. Get out of here, fly. Shoot.